Here's the frog heart, and if you've been following along, you remember that the frog heart has three chambers. It has a right atrium, a left atrium, and a single ventricle. It's a three-chambered heart, unlike yours, which is a four-chambered heart. Now, because of this, it has a single ventricle, a single pumping chamber. And the pumping chamber is responsible for sending blood to the lungs to get oxygenated and out to the body tissues to give them oxygen. So you have both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in this single ventricle. In you, with a four-chambered heart, it's separated. But in a frog, it's not. Now, the frog has these complex ridges of muscle known as trabeculae carnae. And those ridges of muscle, which are actually seen in you as sort of a derivative of evolution, but in the frog, they create these little pockets of air or pockets of blood when it's filled with blood. And those pockets help keep the separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood inside of this ventricle. And this was actually shown because in oxygenated blood, it tends to be bright red. Deoxygenated blood tends to be dark red. If you cut the apex of that heart out, which some researchers have done, you will have two different colored blood streams that flow out of the base of the ventricle. So inside of this ventricle, they remain separated. Now, you have the right side, which is deoxygenated, and the left side, which is oxygenated. Some blood from the left side will cross over and sort of mix with the blood on the right side. But it's better to have oxygenated blood flow back to the lungs to get reoxygenated than it is to have deoxygenated blood flow out to the tissues where they're supposed to supply the tissues with oxygen. So that's step one, is keeping the blood separated in the ventricles. Follow along for part two, where we show you how this spiral valve works to move the blood into the right vessels. Later.